I know how you feel. You want to start online side hustle. You want to be building your own online business, but you just don't know where to get started. Everything you see online are just people showing off their results, their lifestyle, but no one is giving away the real sauce on how they did it. So let's fix it once and for all. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 5 realistic online business ideas that anyone can get started with in 2025, which are worth doing and has a huge potential in the future. Very important to say, none of these are going to be freelancing jobs or complex businesses like running agents. I believe in simplicity and scalability, so I'll be showing you just ideas that you can get started as a complete beginner with no experiences to start profitable online side hustle, making you some money and eventually scaling it up to full-time online business. I have structured this video in a way that first I will show you the online business idea, then secondly I will show you real proof of people actually doing it right now, and in the last step how you can get started with it as a complete beginner. And in case that you don't know me, my name is Korsby, and 4 years ago I was a broke college student with 2 part-time jobs, barely scraping by, and some months I couldn't even afford groceries. This was in 2021, and at that time I was just like you, watching YouTube videos and looking for ways how I can get more from my life, how I can get started with online business, how I can make more money. And my entire journey started with very similar video that you are watching right now. I found online business idea that sounds the most logical to me, and since then I'm making multiple 6 figures every single year, traveling the world, right now living in Lombok, Indonesia, living what most of the people would say is a dream life. But don't get me wrong, this video is not about me. I just wanted to share with you this little story that it doesn't really matter where you are starting from, if you're a college student, if you have a 9-to-5 job, if you have family, if you're extremely busy, you can still go from your living room watching this video to actually launching, building and running successful online business. So now let's get started with online business idea number 1, and also the idea that helped me to make multiple 6 figures every single year. And the online business is affiliate marketing. The biggest advantage of affiliate marketing and the biggest reason why I was able to start this business as a broke college student with 2 part-time jobs, extremely busy, with almost no money in my bank account, is that with affiliate marketing, you don't have to be creating the product, marketing the product, creating websites, delivering it or giving support. Because how affiliate marketing works is that there are companies or product creators that already created the product and everything around it. And what you can do as an affiliate marketer is that you can find these products, get a special link that is called affiliate link, and this link is going to be connected to your account. So if anyone is going to click on it and make a purchase, you are going to make some percentage of the profit, what could be in between 10 all the way up to 75%. To give you one example, I'm affiliate for this tool that is called System.io, and as affiliate for this tool, I was able to make $24,000. And this is the biggest advantage of affiliate marketing. System.io is enormous, huge product with amazing websites, with amazing features where you can be building sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, evergreen webinars, sell products, blogging, online courses, just so many things. And if I would want to create this product by myself, it would take me years and hundreds of thousands of dollars. But instead, I can just go take this unique link, and this one is going to pay me 60% of a lifetime commissions. What if you think about it, I can make more money than the creator and owner of this platform. So that's why I believe affiliate marketing is the easiest online business out there, because instead of doing all of that work with the product creation, literally the only thing I need to focus on is how to get customers into this product. If I would compare it to agency, dropshipping or Amazon FBA, there is so much work that you need to do upfront to start generating income online. With affiliate marketing, you can literally just take this link, go to social media, blogs, paid ads, whatever you want, learn the only skill of lead generation, and you have an online business. And just to give you some specific example, for example, this Instagram account that is called the AI Surfer, he's sharing news and all the new AI tools. If you would create a simple Instagram profile like this one and start sharing new AI tools, website builders, helpful websites for entrepreneurs or just regular people, and make a lot of money from all affiliate links. On this channel, Korsby, you can find tens of different tutorials on how to get started affiliate marketing from zero. So if you want to get complete step-by-step tutorials on how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2025, just leave a subscribe, go to my channel, and open the video that you will like the most. And next up is second online business idea that anyone can start in 2025: digital downloads. If you haven't heard of digital downloads before, it basically means that you can create something on your computer like a PDF or a template file, and then you can upload it to different marketplaces where people can buy it from you. So to show you some real examples, we can head over to Etsy.com, what is a huge marketplace that you may have heard about, and how this essentially works, that someone can go to the Etsy, they can look for a digital planner, then for example, they will find this all-in-one digital planner, then they can add it to cart, buy it, download it, edit it, and maybe even print it and start using it on a daily basis. The biggest advantage of digital download is that, for example, this one costs $17.44, but there is literally zero cost to create this. Since it's digital download, it can be sold and downloaded millions of times, and the cost is going to be still the same. What means if you would be owner of this digital planner, everything which you would make is all profit. Then another thing that you should know, with Etsy digital downloads, the options are literally unlimited. We can search, for example, for a Canva template, and this is going to show us multiple options like our Instagram post templates. Then it could be Etsy listing mockup templates, editable ebook templates, then even Canva resellable digital products. So there is hundreds, maybe even thousands of options for digital downloads. But comparing digital downloads to affiliate marketing, I would always go for affiliate marketing because the products are already created and usually digital downloads are sold for a couple of dollars. While on the other side, you can find affiliate products paying you $100, even $1,000 per commission. But if you're a creative person or you feel like you want to share something with the world, digital downloads are going to be a great online business for you. Moving on to third realistic online business idea, TikTok Shop Affiliate. This business model is similar to affiliate marketing, where you promote affiliate products on TikTok platform, usually creating short form vertical review videos of different products. So just to show it to you in practice, I can, for example, look for helpful gadgets, and at the top I can immediately see shop for helpful gadgets, and all of these products are part of TikTok Shop, where people or creators or companies can get their product, so people can go and buy it directly from a TikTok. But what you can do as affiliate or TikTok Shop affiliate is that you can start creating, for example, like this creator that created review video of this easy can opener and cover, and she just took this can with a can opener to the beach, recorded a simple faceless video, and you can see that this product is linked directly in the video. So if anyone is going to watch this video, they will click this link and go to buy now, this creator is going to make 10 to 20% of the price from the product. But it's quite amazing because if I'm going to check her profile, I can see she got just 15,000 followers and she doesn't have to create any products, any websites, she doesn't need to be a copywriter or have a bunch of different skills. Literally everything what she is doing is she just finds a product on TikTok Shop, as I'm going to show you in just a couple of minutes. Then she's going to take this product, create a simple review video, put the link or button to this product directly in the video, and if anyone is going to buy it, she's just making money. And I know that this may be a little bit confusing, so let me show you a little more examples and also examples of products that you could possibly start promoting as a TikTok Shop affiliate. The best way on how to do the research of TikTok Shop products, but also creators who are making a lot of money using this online business, is using this website that is called calodata.com, which you can find here in Explore. You can find all sorts of different products which are ranking at the top, like top products in the last couple of days or last 2 days. As you can see, there are some metabolic balance patches, then for example, zero sugar best seller trio of Goi, what is like ashwagandha and pre-post probiotics. And what you can do as an affiliate is that you can just create a simple review video that could be with face on, faceless, maybe even reacting to other people's videos. Then just put this product directly in the video, and if anyone is going to click on it, make a purchase, you earn commission. Then another thing that you can see are all the creators and how much money they are actually making. So for example, you can see these people are making millions of dollars in revenue, but it means that in profit they can be making something in between 5 to 20% from the TikTok Shop products. For example, like this product, My Family POV, if I'm going to open his TikTok profile, you can see that his videos are not even getting like hundreds of thousands of views or millions of views. They are just getting thousands or couple of thousands of views, but he's so consistent that some of the videos eventually are going to blow up and are going to get millions of views, for example like this video. But if any of these videos are going to blow up face on, faceless, but he is going to have the product linked in the video and people will start actually buying it, then he is going to make some good profit just by creating a bunch of videos on TikTok. And to be honest with you, I personally just love free stuff, and one of the big advantages of being TikTok Shop affiliate is that usually the companies are going to ship you the free products to test it, to create video about it, and so at the end, not just you are going to make money, but also you will have a bunch of cool free stuff at home. And now let's move on to fourth online business idea anyone can start in 2025, and that is niche educational YouTube. The YouTube right now is oversaturated with videos, and what's really going to pop up now are hyper-specific niche YouTube videos. And since I know YouTube is not for everyone, hold on with me. If I say YouTube, most of you imagine huge YouTube empires like Mr. Beast, for example, but that's not the only way. Let's check, for example, Sam Sule. He is now a fitness superstar just because he creates really human-like content on YouTube, where he doesn't really need to script the videos or think about what he's going to record. He just takes the camera and just shows to other people what he is actually doing. Then another option is to create hyper-specific content that is completely faceless. Now let me show you just a couple of examples of YouTube channels that I'm personally watching, and I believe it's something that literally anyone can do. So this year I really went down to the F1 rabbit hole and I became a huge fan of everything around Formula 1. And by far my most favorite YouTube channel is Rick's F1 Addiction, and if you check his videos, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views, but if you watch them, you will see the edits of these videos are actually extremely simple. And what I love about this channel the most is that Rick, or who is actually creating these videos, he definitely loves Formula 1, and so not just he's making money from YouTube monetization, and he is really creating content about his passion and something that he just loves to do. Then another example could be this YouTube channel that is called Beekeeping Made Simple, and this is made by some woman who is just documenting the process and what she's learning on her journey as a beekeeper. What many people don't know about me is that I was also a beekeeper when I was 15 years old. I didn't make any money, but it was definitely valuable experience. So if you want to get started with niche educational YouTube, it doesn't really matter about what it is going to be. Everyone watching this has some interest that can be definitely monetized on YouTube. For example, almost everyone is watching Netflix. Well, you can create review videos of movies or TV series. If you enjoy cooking, you can do exactly that. Or do you spend a lot of time gardening or in the gym with healthy food, yoga, studying, whatever, you can just go for it. And if you want a little motivation with YouTube, me by myself, I was a shy person studying at a college, couldn't speak English properly, and I never imagined that I'm going to be sitting in front of the camera, have 100,000 subscribers on the YouTube, and ever going to be creating any videos at all. But today, YouTube is not just source of income for myself, but it's also a great passion, fun, and something what I extremely enjoy doing. And it can feel the same for you in just a couple of months. So give it a shot. And now the last online business idea anyone can start in 2025, and one that I enjoyed the most this year and I'm going heavily into it, is personal brand, or even better, faceless brand. If you are not living under the stone, you probably heard someone talking about personal brand and why it's the best way or start online business in 2025. The truth is, in 2025, literally everyone is building personal brands. Even Bill Gates or Elon Musk are people that have so much money that they never ever have to show their face on social media, are focusing on it. What means there is something in it. But here is the problem with personal brands. When I was starting out and someone would told me, hey, you need to build a personal brand, I would have absolutely zero idea about what I should build this personal brand, because I was just studying at a college, spending most of my time in a part-time job. I went to a couple of parties, drink beer, and that was pretty much it. What I believe is the thing that anyone can get started are faceless brands. And let me show you what I mean by that. What you can see right here is my faceless brand on Instagram platform. This one is called a Mr. 629, and this one is about digital creation, online business, motivation, and everything about self-development niche. If you open this faceless Instagram account, you will see that I'm not showing my face or not creating any videos by myself. But this account has 33.5 thousand followers and is averaging from $2,000 to $8,000 per month in profit. What is absolutely nuts, because I don't have to be creating any content by myself. Even all of these videos that you can see right here, I'm not posting them. Literally the only thing I'm doing is I'm kind of a like CEO and just giving direction to my content creator and virtual assistant. But don't get me wrong, all of this can be done just by yourself. So how the Faceless brand works is quite simple. I just started creating faceless content about something what I'm interested in the most, that is self-development and business. Then I found the easiest way how to create a lot of content that has potential to get viral and get a lot of views. For example, like this video that got 167,000 views, and then used what I was already really good at, what is affiliate marketing, and just started monetizing this account with affiliate marketing products. And voila, what happened, I don't have to show my face, I don't have to create the product, and I can make $2,000 to $8,000 per month. I won't be going too deep into steps on how I build this faceless brand, but if you want to know the exact step-by-step process, you can just check the first link down below in the description, where you can find sign up page for my 5 days live faceless profit challenge, where I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build one of these faceless brands like is Mr. 629, but also in any other category category or niche, monetize it with affiliate products or digital downloads, and then give you a complete step-by-step plan on how to make your first $1,000 with it. This is a live challenge with 24/7 support, and a simple premise of this challenge is that anyone who is going to join this challenge is going to have their own Faceless brand business up and running by the end of the day 5. So it's educational, but as well it's actionable. So it's not just learning and getting more and more information, but it's actually applying it and getting results. So if this Faceless Profits Challenge is something which you're interested in, then check the first link down below in the description. The spots are limited, so hurry up. Alright guys, so this was a video about top 5 realistic online business ideas that you can get started in 2025. One thing I haven't mentioned at the beginning of this video is that all of these 5 online business ideas is something what I used in the past or I'm using right now. So these are not just online businesses I theoretically believe they are going to work. I have practical experience and I have undeniable proof that all of these are working, they are scalable, they are simple, and anyone can start it with it in 2025. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see some real content on the YouTube, then don't forget to leave a subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are not going to miss any of the future videos. But for this one, this was everything from me. I'm wishing you a fantastic day and see you in the next one.